les roses. Comme vous le savez, il y a quelques semaines, on s'est envolé pour New York avec Marine. À cette occasion, on avait pu retrouver Sandrea venue interviewer Blake Lively pour son nouveau film Instinct de survie. Pour se détendre un peu avant l'interview, on a décidé de faire un petit tour dans la ville. Mais on est où, Sandrea?
Je sais pas. On est perdu. Parce que là c'est la 34, ça c'est la 35e et on va aller à la 45e.
T'as confiance, Marine?
Tu devrais pas. On n'a pas le choix, hein.
Ah mais si, je vois où on est. Alors, les roses?
Devine où je suis.
Times Square. Yeah. On l'a trouvé.
Vu le temps qu'on avait mis à trouver Times Square, on s'est dit qu'il était peut-être plus prudent de foncer vers le lieu de l'interview. Alors, pas trop stressée, Sandrea?
Un peu, ouais. Stressée, excitée, j'ai peur de bafouiller, j'ai peur d'oublier la moitié des choses que je suis censée dire.
Je ne mourrai pas ici.
Bah oui, après tout, il faut positiver.
C'est trop bizarre de voir le behind the scenes, tu sais, de tout ça quand tu vois les interviews sur internet ou peu importe sur la télé, tu sais pas comment est-ce que ça se passe derrière. C'est trop intéressant.
Avant d'interviewer Blake, Sandrea part en apprendre un peu plus sur le film grâce au réalisateur Jomi Collet-Serra.
Hi, it's nice meeting
Hi,
you.
nice to meet you.
Let me begin with the fact that I absolutely adored the movie.
Oh, thank you.
So I had one question for you, especially. What was the hardest part in the making of the movie, the process, and casting Blake? Was that intentional? Did you think about her?
Yeah, I mean, it was an obvious choice. I think it's a very specific profile that we're looking for. Smart, beautiful, tough actress that, you know, is a really good actress. We went to her with the hope that she would say yes, and she did. I think that she was intrigued by the script and also really fascinated with the challenge. I told her that it would be a lot of fun, and I lied, and it was very tough. And when she was there, she suffered.
It seemed very physical.
It's very physical. It's a very physical movie.
So did she have to train for that?
She trained in, you know, right before we were shooting, and but there's not a lot of training you can do to get in shape for this, because it's 8 weeks of being in the water, being pounded by the waves, and still be at the top of your game.
8 weeks.
Acting, yeah. So even if you train for a month or 2 months, it's not enough to what you're gonna be facing, you know? And it's a very difficult movie because she's the only actor in the movie. Obviously, she has nothing to react to because there's no shark, so she's making it up all in her mind, and that's pure acting.
Alors, c'était comment?
Développe très bien ses réponses. Donc on a vraiment, tu sais, il prend bien le temps de dire voilà, on a voulu faire ça pour ça et tout ça. Donc ouais, très cool. Intimidant un peu quand même.
Dis donc, Sandrea, on te sent presque un peu plus tendu de rencontrer Blake que de nager avec les requins. Un dernier petit mot?
J'espère ne pas tomber en arrivant dans la pièce.
Ah oui, quand même. Allez, courage, Sandrea. On n'oublie pas de positiver comme Blake.
Je crois que je vais m'en sortir.
All right. So it's really nice to meet you,
Nice to
Blake.
meet you.
Just as a little thing, I just want to tell you that I am a very big fan of yours.
that's nice. Thank you for
My
saying
husband did tell me to not say that I've watched all your movies and such.
Why?
He said I would sound like a freak. What? Yeah, that's what he said.
That's not very nice.
No.
You need to be nicer to your wife.
Yeah, he does. He does. I'll make sure he watches that.
Thank you.
So I've been very curious with Nancy. She's very interesting because we do know that she's in medical school, and yet she decides to just be so careless, and the whole time I'm just like, come on, girl,
Yeah.
like get out of that water.
Yeah.
So did you at some point ever think that's something you would do?
No, I don't. I'm not a surfer, so
Right.
I'm not a medical student, so no. But I think what's nice is that you see this person who is very responsible, who is a medical student. This is very out of character of her to be in Mexico by herself, to be surfing. Every surfer knows not to be out there surfing alone, and you don't surf at that time of day, especially alone. So she's doing a lot of things that she knows better than to do, but she's running from something emotionally that that has really affected her and thwarted her and changed her.
The shark was very interesting, and the relationship between Nancy and the shark was also very interesting, because when we think about it, you're not seeing anybody there, but there's a shark.
Yeah, yeah.
And so was that the most difficult thing for you, to just be pretending that there's something there?
No, the most difficult thing was honestly the physical challenge of the film, because Jaume really likes to see everything happen. So he would do one long shot where it just takes you through a ton of the movie, and there's a camera on a crane, there's a camera at water level, there's a camera underwater, and you'd have to act the emotion of it all while actually being physically thrown around and beaten up and you know, keeping your bearings. That was hard, but it also made it easier in a way because it wasn't just faking it for a moment. I was really experiencing a lot of it. The shark was less of the fear than the rest of it was, and I think for Nancy too, you know, she's fighting not just the shark, but she's fighting the elements. She's fighting the waves, she's fighting the rocks, the fire coral, the buoy, the things that are collapsing. So the shark is the greatest threat. But it's all of those things around her that are beating her up along the way, and I got to experience those firsthand. So the shark was just sort of the cherry on top.
Right.
Alors, c'était comment?
Je suis en vie, je suis pas tombée. Elle est vraiment gentille. J'ai une photo.
Fais voir. Bon bah, ça s'est bien passé du coup.
Ouais, ça s'est bien passé. J'ai pu parler un petit peu plus du film et j'ai pu avoir le temps de poser les questions que j'avais vraiment envie de poser et tout ça. Je jure, au début, j'ai dit, je me suis assise, je me dis, ok, trop noir. J'ai regardé mes notes, je dis, allez, ça va aller.
Pour se remettre de toutes ces émotions et peut-être se préparer un peu à notre plongée avec les requins quelques semaines plus tard, on est allé se faire immortaliser avec le requin du film. Puis, ça a été le moment de partir. Au bilan, on a rencontré une actrice trop sympa, vu un film qui a mis nos battements cardiaques à rude épreuve et qu'on vous conseille à 1000%. On vous fait d'énormes bisous et on vous dit à très vite.